And at the we're not seeking for continued detention. The matter, the file has been forwarded to the DPP.
Yes, you're not seeking?
We are not seeking for extended detention.
Okay.
We have set orders up to today, and the file has been forwarded to the DPP. This morning, the file is bulky and extensive, and we are awaiting the DPP's directions. We will be praying for strict bond terms in line with the bill and bond guidelines, considering the value of the property and the seriousness of the charges that we face. Your Honor, in relation to the miscellaneous matter that has been quoted, E322 of 2025.
E3?
E322 of 2025.
322, yes.
Of before Honorable Alego.
Yes.
I'm not privy to the same. I only have instructions in regards to this matter.
Yes.
And on the same,
yeah.
I wish to submit that judicial officers are independent, and it's upon this court to exercise its own discretion and not to adhere to the defense's plea that it be influenced by other extraneous factors, facts and files which are not before this court, and to consider the matter before it, Your Honor, in front of us. That is all, Your Honor.
Honorable Bill and Bond terms, Your Honor. Honor, she is not a flight risk. Honor, I have advised her on the importance of attending court. Honor, our colleagues have neither produced anything to this court as to why the suspect should be denied bail. Honor, it's my prayer, my application, that the accused, that the suspect be released on reasonable bail terms, Your Honor, pending the investigation by the DPP and other directions, Your Honor. That's all.
For Jackson Mwangi.
Yes, Your Honor, in the absence, Bogwa do appear for the respondent.
I just tell them to remove their hoods, all of them. Jackson Mwangi.
Bogwa.
Mr. Mbogwa.
Yes. Your Honor, the last time we were before you, your directions were very, very clear that today the ODPP was to either prefer charges against the suspect or they be set free. As we stand before you, the ODPP are not sure whether to prefer charges or not. We ask you to release them forthwith.
For Gabriel Mwangi Munyori and Peter Karibu.
Your Honor, for Gabriel Mishuki, Your Honor, we shall also be praying for this matter to be marked as closed. The subtotal of the application before you was for custodial orders pending investigation. The DPP has admitted and confirmed the investigations are over and the file has been forwarded to the ODPP. There's therefore no need to continue detaining the persons of interest in this matter. We shall therefore be asking you to forthwith set aside the detention orders that you have issued. Oh, Your Honor, yes. Your Honor, just to bring it to the court's attention as as an official of this court, there is a related matter that's not before you. Miscellaneous E3223 of 2025 that pertains to the same parties.
Miscellaneous number
E3223 of 2025.
32, 23.
And as an officer of this court, I have a duty of candor, and that matter has been set for mention on the 4th of September before Honorable Alego to confirm if the DPP is charging the suspect in that matter. No custodial orders had been issued in that matter, just for the court's full full discernment, but that party have been admitted to cash bail of 50,000 shillings.
Mr. Waulu.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, I'm here for the second respondent.
Yes.
Your Honor, when you were last here on 25th, the investigating officer sought 3 days to complete investigations. He has confirmed that he has completed his investigations. Your Honor, the reasons that were given then for holding the accused persons are no longer relevant. The miscellaneous application has run its course. Your Honor, no affidavit has been placed before you giving any facts from which any reasons can be found to continue detaining the suspects. Your Honor, we request that they be released. We do not know when the decision is likely to be made by the DPP and whether or not they are likely to be charged. They cannot just continue waiting, as it were, in custody. That is, Your Honor, will be unconstitutional. Your Honor, we pray that they be released. If need be, Your Honor, there are other ways of ensuring attendance, including reporting mechanisms which the court can institute. Your Honor, we pray that they be released on reasonable terms. Your Honor, I'm informed in the other related matter, I think the bail was 50,000. There's no reason why similar bail terms cannot be given in a similar matter arising out of the same facts.
Okay.
Yes, that's all. Did you have a query? Please.
No, I'm just listening to your answer.
That's it.
So the so the prosecution sought to have 14 days so as to establish whether or not the DPP will be preferring charges against the respondents. They submitted the documents which were submitted to the DPP were bulky, and she sought for more time and also further sought for strict bond terms. Counsel for the suspects submitted that the suspects were released on reasonable bond terms. In case that is for Gabriel and Peter, their counsel submitted and they cited 2 cases. That is Roger Nzioka and 10 others, miscellaneous number 12 of 2018, and the High Court versus Dwight Sagare. I have perused the said authorities cited by the courts, cited by the High Court, and I agree at this point no charges have been preferred against the suspect and further the court is not in a position to establish the gravity of the offence that the DPP will be able to prefer. Therefore, taking into account that there was no objection to bond by the DPP, the respondents are hereby admitted to bond, each of Kenya shillings 500,000 plus one surety of a similar amount. The alternative, cash bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 plus one contact person. So those are the orders of the courts. So I'll grant you 14 days. So we'll mention the matter on 11th of September.